Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to use YouTube in Trello. First, click on Power Apps, then click on Add Power Apps, then search here Embeds, click on Embeds and press Add right here. Then Add again right here. Now this will add this Power App, which basically allows you to embed YouTube videos into your cards and watch YouTube in Trello. Now, if you have added this Power App, go back and you can go to your card and should see embeds right here. So you can pick whatever you want. So we want YouTube now. So here you have to type YouTube URL. So go to YouTube video, select the URL, press Command C or Control C if you are on Windows and paste it here, Control V or Command V. And now you should be able to embed this video. So this is how we do it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.